Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Raju from Smart AI Technologies. If you are new to our channel, we Smart AI Technologies are providing complete data analysis course using Excel. So if you are new to this channel, you can go back and watch the remaining videos from part 1. Okay, so in this class, we are going to specially study about filtering and sorting option. So we'll move with the concept now without wasting any time. So till now, whatever we saw, okay, you need to know that because we are going sequentially one step after other. So if you skip one video, you may miss some useful content. So if you want to learn only about filtering and sorting, this video is enough. But if you want to study complete data analysis using Excel, you need to follow all the videos. So don't miss any videos. Okay, I will be sharing the link of playlist down. You can visit and you can watch the videos. Okay, so we'll move with the present concept called filtering and sorting. So I opened the Excel sheet. So I open the data set, or I can say I open the data set. Now I need to apply the filter over it. So what is filter? Nothing but if you have some data, you need to filter out the data, you need to drop some and keep some. Okay, so if there is any material, if you want to filter, there will be something remaining and something will pass through it, because that filter is a restriction. So how to give a restriction over the data, and how to keep the required data in the data set, and remove or don't consider the not required data. So how we will do it, and what is the option available in our Excel for that? So let us start with the concept. First I will select the entire column, salary column. So now I am going here, like here you need to click on data here. Okay, there's a home, insert, page layout, formula, data. When you click data, before clicking the data, you should select this column. Okay, salary column. Once you click filter, okay, so here you can see to this column there is a drop down. When you click on this drop down, there are so many options here. So about 3 are sorting options. We will come to sorting. Okay, but first we will see the filtering, how we will filter. So what are the options are there? You can select equals. If something is equals to this much, keep only that value. If something is not equal to this much, keep that. If greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, or top 10 values, above average, below average, or there are some custom filters. So each filter we will see one by one how equal works. For example, let us say I'm going to use a function called equals. So which value I want? I just in the salary I want say 7,500. 7,500. If the data equal to 7,500, that you need to keep. So you see only one row is coming. Why? Because it filtered out all the data. Only one person is having a salary 7,500. That's a working of filter called equals. So let me. Okay. So now we'll see some other filter. Okay, I'll be selecting A's, and I'll be selecting this filter. The age, let us go to number filter, does not equal to. It should not equal to, then it will be kept. Let us say 2,50,000, because the first row will be removed. I will see 250. Sorry, we are into age. Sorry. Okay, so let me cancel this. So I will apply filter. I will take this, does not equal to. I don't want a person with the age 40, so I don't want to include that person. This is a condition. So let us see how it is happening. So that 40 years was here. Okay, if you can see, I will do control Z. 40 was here. So once I apply the filter, this was removed. This was not considered as per the filter's condition. Are you getting it? In the same manner, we can apply so many filters. So does not equal to, greater than. So I just want to keep only the age restriction. I'm putting a age filter here. So let me decide. I will be giving like person with the age more than 30 I want, remain things I don't. So the data is restricted here. So filtered out. The data is filtered out based on the age with the greater than function. In the same manner, you don't want this greater than. Okay. Now you want to apply some other filter. So let me go to this. I'm going to apply another filter. So that filter will be greater than or equal to. So let me give a value greater than or equal to. Again, if I take 45, what will happen? The data is restricted now between 45 or equal to 45 or more than 45. Again, you can go for the filtering. You can get the values like less than. You want employee details, whose age is less than. Maybe you are conducting some survey, you are conducting some events in your company. Okay, so that company needs to decide like this event is suitable for the younger people, that is people below age 30. Okay, so that was their purpose. Okay, so now they want to do something on those candidates. People are candidates with lesser than 30, the age is less than 30. So they want list of candidates or the list of employees. So how should I get it? Simple thing is, you just take it as is less than 30. Okay? So you'll get the people employees and their id is less than 30. Okay, this is another way of filtering. Now let us go to salary and we'll try to apply some other filter. The next filter, lesser than or equal to, again same. So here on salary we'll implement it. Okay, so my purpose is, now I want to know in the company uh, employees with the lowest salary. So maybe the company is planning to hike their salary. There is something. Okay, so they want some restriction. Say in my case, I'll give 10,000. Okay, employees who are earning less than 10,000, the company wants to hike. So it wants to hike their salary. So it wants the list of candidates who are below 10,000. So if I give, so these people are below or equal to 10,000. So this is again another filtering. So all these things, okay, whatever we are trying to study, they will give insights. These insights are depend on us. How we want the result, what we want the result. We need to decide all these things based on the client's requirement. What client want. Okay, whenever you get the requirement, you need to study it thoroughly. Okay, it's not like that you want to apply all the functions on any given problem. Okay, you need to apply what is needed and what is suitable. There is no need to apply all the filters on the data. You need to see which one is suitable for the purpose and what is the main motto of the project or the task. Okay, based on that you need to use the particular filters. For example, a company comes with a requirement, says they have a huge data set and they are planning to give a hike to the low salary earning employees, as the company got more profit, so it's very happy and it want to hike the salary of a employee. Now in that case they will come up with the data and they just want the details of the employees and they want to increase their salary and who are the employees, all those things are there. Okay, so now if they come with that requirement, what you need to do, or sometimes they will come like if the company is in debt. Okay, so it's in loss. Now it is giving people salary more than required for some, or there are some people who are earning more than needed. The company is wasting so much of money there, so it wants some details, who are the candidates and what is happening with their salary, how much they are getting. Okay, again you need to give the details. So the analysis stuff nothing but whatever the large data you have, you need to get what you want. You need to get the result which can solve the problem. which can solve it very easily. Because if you go on doing manually, for example, if there is a company of 2000 employees, it's not that much easy to go manually. I'm just giving a small example, but there are so many companies which are having many employees, okay, 10,000, 20,000 employees, maybe around like that. Not only employee data, I'm speaking about employee data, there will be sometime some other data. For example, if you have um, companies like Uber or like that, okay, so the data will be very huge. So in that case, how to analyze and what results they want from the analysis, the Uber people. So let us continue with the answer. I mean, I just want to make you to understand there are so many things, okay, but you need to know which one to use according to requirements. It's not like that you can use everything, every function in the library, or like everything in the software, okay. You need to know what to use and when to use. And again, between there is a range. So in salary, what is the range you want? Okay, greater than, say my requirement is greater than 2 lakh, okay, or lesser than 5 lakh, 4 lakh. So I just want the information in this range. So there are four people who are earning very huge according to the company. They are earning very huge. Then the company should see, is it really that too much important to have these people when the company is in loss? Is it that much impactful? If not, what to do? Whether they can hire a fresher or some other alternatives. Because when company is in debt, uh, it will be very horrific. Okay, so they will try new things. Okay, even you saw that layoff. Why the company is doing layoff? Simple. The reason is very simple. Okay, when they are in debt, when they are in loss, they will do layoffs. Okay. Again, I will select salary and go for the number filter. Then I have top 10, average, above average, below average, and there are also some customs. Okay, customized you can give. Okay, so here are there's some functions. So here you can like equal to, how much it must be equal to, how much greater than or equal, no, lesser than, what it should not contain, what it should contain, what it should end with, what should not begin with, what it should be begin with. Like that, there are so many stuffs. For example, let me take this card, apply filter. I'll go for the custom one. So now I just say I just want to keep which is beginning with left, begins with. Only female is there. Okay, all the male candidates data is not considered, because if you want only female data which starts with F, that's what I gave. Okay, so there are some custom. Okay, so you have a large data, you have say a candidate of 2 lakh candidates. Not, I'm not speaking about now employees. Some data you have 20 lakh or like the data is there. Now you want to only study about the female data, female people data, or like that. So, for example, I will give now in Karnataka, what is happening? The government is trying to give 2000 to every female. Okay, now government is having a huge data. So, how they will filter it out? Because anyway, all the people will apply for the 2000. Okay, so now how to see whether the data provided by the applicant and the data available in the database, whether they are same or not? How to filter out only female data, then with the female data the comparison goes on, whether it's same or not. Okay, whether they are providing proper information, then only they will uh, allow, they will accept the application. Okay? This is one situation I'm speaking about. So this is all about filtering now. Okay. Now what is a sorting? For example, if I select age, here there is a filter, and the filter only there are some sort. What it says, sort smaller to largest. If I do this, you can see it sorted the age from 17 is the lowest and it is increasing till the end. Again, if I select this, if I take the new filter, and if I go and sort largest to smallest, it is giving from largest to smallest. And then sort by color, there are no colors. Okay, in our case, if sometime there are colors, some colors, in that case it will be sorted based on the color that you are going to give. Okay, so this is all about filtering and sorting. So we will be covering some more best concepts. Okay, if you are didn't subscribe and like our channel, please subscribe and like and click on the bell button so that you will be notified when we come up with the next videos of this complete data analysis Excel course. Thank you very much for your time.